What's up guys? Hey, I just wanted to show you something real quick. If you guys know me, I like to put FPV cameras on stuff, and it's the same idea that I do with a lot of my quadcopters and stuff. I just put with a 3-in-1 camera, got it set at 50 milliwatts, and I got a 3.7 volt 350 milliwatt battery right taped in the back there, guys. So as you can see, it's a little muddy. I've been thrashing around. You guys will see the video from the FPV footage here in just a moment that I did with my goggles as well, and it works out really good. I mean, I went around the whole apartment block here, so with minimal breakups, just your average little breakups. I probably could turn up the milliwatts to 200 and get a lot better signal, but I'll end up losing signal with the pickup before I do with the camera. So this doesn't have a real long range, but you know, I at least can go 100 meters, so it does work out pretty good, and it just brings a little more fun to something you already have. So anyways guys, pretty simple. You know, the camera's only like 20 bucks or less, and you know, you got one of these batteries laying around from a SEMA X5C or something like that. You can use one of those. It'll clip right on because it comes with an adapter you can connect to, and I just got it taped down right here, but works out good guys. A little sticky black tape right here. I just put the rubber band on for just a little extra. I do recommend probably maybe having a little hard shell around this in case you decide to thrash and flip. That way you don't break your antenna off. But I'm just cruising right now. So alright guys, enjoy the video.
Finish him! Fatality.